Hello, and welcome to the Zenyu M338 tablet remote tutorial. Today, I am going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Zenyu tablet to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into 4 different parts: remote layout and functions, using an auto program, building a manual program, and pairing Bluetooth devices. Let's begin by turning on the tablet remote by pressing the power button located at the bottom center of the tablet. This will boot up the tablet remote. The tablet has a central display area that shows a figure of the body along with indicators for things like time remaining, mechanism position, active airbags, and heat. Certain sections in the central display will light up or highlight when you activate them with the buttons, providing visual feedback on your selections. Surrounding the central screen are all the buttons you'll use. Starting on the left side of the tablet, you'll find the auto program categories. These are buttons for full body, demo, pain relief, stretch, therapeutic, neck and shoulder, upper body, and lower body. Each category has one or more preset programs. To select one, just press the category button repeatedly to cycle through the available options. An audio response from the chair will indicate which program is selected. For example, pressing full body once starts Revitalize program. Press again for Energize and again for Renewal. We recommend trying each program to see what feels best for you. Let's go over each category. Full Body offers a selection of programs oriented towards overall massages with Revitalize, Energize, and Renewal programs. Moving to the Demo category, pressing once starts Demo 1 with audio, a guided showcase of the chair's full body massage capabilities where you experience a variety of techniques and features in one short session. Press again for Demo 2 without audio, an alternate demonstration highlighting key functions of the chair, ideal for first-time users exploring what the chair can do. Under Pain Relief, there's Stress Relief, which targets common tension areas to help melt away stress and calm the nervous system for a deep sense of relief. Back and Spine, which focuses on the full length of the spine, easing stiffness and discomfort in the upper, middle, and lower back, and Waist and Hip, which concentrates on the lower back and hip area to release tightness, improve mobility, and ease built-up pressure. The Stretch category has just one program, which gently elongates the body using coordinated movements that help improve flexibility, reduce tension, and promote overall relaxation. Therapeutic offers Chinese massage, inspired by traditional techniques to promote circulation and balance through steady, full-body movements that support overall wellness. Thai Massage, a dynamic program that combines compression and movement to help release deep muscle tension and improve flexibility. And Healthy Breath, a calming massage that syncs with your breathing rhythm, encouraging relaxation, deeper inhales, and a clearer state of mind. Neck and Shoulder has one program focused on relieving stress and tension in that area. Upper Body category cycles through neck massage, which carefully targets the neck muscles to relieve stiffness and tension. Shoulder massage, which focuses on the shoulders to release deep muscle tightness and built-up stress. And Back massage, which concentrates on the upper and mid-back to soothe soreness, reduce discomfort, and restore a renewed sense of ease across your back. Finally, Lower Body category offers Waist massage, which targets the waist area to relieve tension and stiffness. Hip massage, which focuses on the hips to release tight muscles and reduce pressure. And Leg massage, which soothes tired and achy legs by improving circulation and relaxing muscles. We recommend trying each program to see what feels best for you, and many include embedded music to enhance relaxation, which you can adjust or mute as needed. Just below the auto categories on the left, there are quick access buttons. The Zero Gravity button lets you cycle through 2 recline positions. Press once for Zero Gravity 1, a relaxing zero gravity position. Press again for Zero Gravity 2, a deep zero gravity position for even more immersion that elevates your feet up over your heart to improve overall circulation and reduce gravitational force on your spine for a sense of weightlessness. And press once more to turn it off and return to the upright position. The Rocking button activates a gentle back and forth motion like a rocking chair, gently rocking the chair back and forth in a soothing, rhythmic motion. You can also layer in rocking to any auto program, except Demo 1, for an entirely different massage experience. Press the button to turn it on and again to turn it off. The Voice Guide button turns on and off the spoken announcements for your selections, providing spoken instructions and feedback to help you navigate chair functions and settings with ease. Voice Guide is on by default. Press the button to toggle this feature off or on. The Voice Control button turns on and off the hands-free command listening, allowing you to control your chair and massage experience completely hands-free by using one of the many voice commands listed in the user manual. When on, an orange microphone icon will light up in the central display. To give a command, simply say, "Hey Kyota" or "Hi Kyota," then speaking clearly and slowly, give a command within 5 seconds. Voice control is on by default. Press the button to toggle this feature off or on. The Sleep button keeps the chair reclined after a massage session ends, allowing you to continue resting undisturbed. When sleep is off, the chair will reset and return to an upright position after the massage session ends. Sleep is on by default. Press the button to toggle this feature off or on. Bluetooth button toggles the connection for pairing devices to your chair so you can enjoy your favorite music or podcasts through the chair's built-in Bluetooth speakers. We will go over pairing your Bluetooth device later in part 4 of this video. The volume button controls the chair's sound output from off to high. Press the button repeatedly to change the volume of the massage chair speakers, with 3 levels of sound: 1 for low, 2 for medium, 3 for high, or 4 for off. This control affects the chair's embedded music volume in auto programs and any Bluetooth audio volume, but does not affect the Voice Guide volume, which is set at a constant loudness. At the bottom of the tablet, you'll find more controls. The Time button will adjust your massage session length between 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Press to cycle through these massage time increments and adjust your setting accordingly. The default massage length is 20 minutes, but you can change it at any time. The Play or Pause button will pause or resume a massage. When an active auto program or manual massage is running, press this to pause the current massage program at any time and press again to resume from where it left off. Press the Power button to stop the massage and reset the chair entirely. The Foot Roller button will adjust the foot rollers that target the soles of the feet. Press to cycle through the foot roller speeds, with 1 being slow, 2 and 3 being fast, or press again to turn the foot rollers off completely. The Heating button cycles through lumbar heat options that apply gentle warmth to the lower back area. Press once for low heat and 2 or 3 for high. Press again to turn lumbar heat off. On the right side, there are the Position Adjustment buttons. Use the up and down arrow buttons to move the back mechanism up or down along the track during the body scan or a manual massage, in point or partial modes. We will go over these later in this video. Use the back up and back down buttons to recline or raise the backrest. Press and hold to continuously move the backrest up or down, adjusting to your comfort, or reclining into the zero gravity position. Below the back buttons are the manual controls. Each of these buttons allows you to customize your massage to your liking. We will return to this section later in part 2 and 3 of this video. Now that we've covered the tablet layout, let's move on to personalizing and taking control of some features within an auto program. Start by pressing an Auto Category button to cycle to your desired program. For this example, we're going to pick Revitalize under Full Body. Once selected, the chair will do a TrueFit body scan. After a massage program is selected, you'll enter the body scanning mode to ensure an accurate massage that fits your body. You'll see a flashing shoulder adjust icon on the central display indicating scanning process. During this process, it's important to remain seated back into the chair without lifting your head. When the shoulder adjust icon stops blinking or you hear the chair's audio cue, use the up or down arrows on the right to adjust the mechanism to match your specific shoulder height for that perfect fit. After the scan completes, your massage will start. Note, if you decide to stop during the body scan and turn the massage chair off, simply press the power button. This will reset the chair back to its upright position. After adjusting your shoulder height, the central display will show all the current settings and session information. The figure in the center shows a visual representation of the massage program that's currently running. The mechanism position dash indicates where the rollers are along the track, and the thinner dashes with an arrow indicate the direction of travel of the mechanism. The blue highlights on the figure's body show the active airbags currently compressing, and the red heat icon indicates if the lumbar heat is on or off. Around the figure, sections will light up based on what's active. On the bottom right are the technique icons, one for each massage technique this chair offers. There's kneading, knocking, shiatsu, rubbing, sink, and tapping, each appearing as the massage technique is being performed. To the left of the techniques is the foot roller speed indicator, with the 3 speed options reflected by the number of rollers that are visible: 1 for slow, 3 for fast, and none for off. Next is lumbar heat, showing low, medium, high, or off. To the left of heat is another foot roller speed indicator, also showing slow, medium, fast, or foot rollers off. Above foot roller speed is the massage speed indicator, showing current massage speed of 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Above that is the mechanism width indicator, showing current massage width of narrow, medium, or wide. To the right of width is the airbag intensity indicator, showing current airbag intensity of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or off. In the middle is the indicator for the time remaining in the massage. The top bar also contains additional indicators, starting with the note icon. This icon will appear when embedded music from a massage program or sound from a Bluetooth device is playing. The bars next to the note icon indicate the current device volume setting with low, medium, high, or off setting. To the right of volume is the voice icon, indicating if the voice control function is on or off. To the right of voice is the indicator for the range of motion of the back mechanism, showing whole, partial, or point selection. Finally, there is the Bluetooth icon, which appears when a device is currently connected to the massage chair's Bluetooth speakers. Now let's continue to personalize your auto massage by using the buttons around the tablet. To change the airbag regions affected by the auto program, press the Airbag Focus button. Press repeatedly to cycle through upper body, lower body, or full body to activate all the airbags in the massage chair. Let's choose lower body to focus on the legs. To adjust the air massage intensity of the selected region, press the Air Intensity button. Press repeatedly to cycle through set levels from 1 for lightest to 5 for firmest massage, or press again to select Air Massage Off. All auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying levels of airbag intensity. This setting will adjust the maximum level of these fluctuations. Let's choose 3 for a medium maximum intensity. Now let's choose the speed of our massage. Press the speed button to change the massage speed of the back rollers, 1 being a slow massage to 5 being fast. Let's choose 2. The Revitalize program includes embedded music. Press the volume button to adjust the music volume from low to medium. If you prefer your own audio, we'll cover Bluetooth pairing in step 4 of this video. Now, let's explore the manual settings in detail to build your own massage sequence. These controls let you fully customize your own massage and find the perfect treatment for you. To start, press the Technique button on the right. This will light up the corresponding icon in the central display and begin the massage. You can keep pressing to cycle through all the available massage techniques that this chair offers that we went over earlier. Let's select Knocking. Next, press the Speed button to increase or decrease the speed of the back mechanism. Cycle from 1 for slow up to 5 for fast, adjusting the speed of the massage mechanism's movement. Let's select 2 for a moderate pace. With the technique selected, press Whole/Point/Partial button to choose the massage area. Whole travels the entire length of the track from neck to glutes. Partial travels a short distance and reverses direction for focused relief. And Point stops on the track for targeted relief. Let's choose Partial. Once selected, use the up and down arrows on the right to adjust the back rollers along the track. The central figure will show the position updating as you press and hold to move the massage mechanism up or down. To change the width of the back rollers, press the width button. We can cycle through narrow, medium, or wide, which increase or decrease the width of the back mechanism accordingly. Let's select medium. Note that width can only be adjusted in knocking, shiatsu, and tapping techniques. Let's also change our massage time to 30 minutes by pressing the time button at the bottom to cycle through the options. For the air settings, let's turn on the air massage by pressing the airbag focus button and cycling through between upper, lower, and full body. Let's pick full body. This will highlight those areas on the central figure and start the air compression massage in all airbag regions. Now, press the air intensity button and cycling through the levels. Let's choose level 3 air pressure intensity. This will help to release that tension throughout the body. Let's also press the foot roller button for speed 2, which targets the soles with rolling motion at a moderate pace, and heating for level 1, applying gentle low warmth to the lumbar region. You can keep layering these selections to build your own custom massage sequence. Remember, pressing a technique first will start the massage, and you can add or adjust features like zero gravity, rocking, or backrest recline at any time. Now, let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled by pressing the Bluetooth button on the tablet. An audio cue will confirm that the chair's Bluetooth function is on. Now, make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your device. Your device should automatically detect the massage chair around you. Select M338 Zenyu in the Available Devices section of your Bluetooth settings and confirm that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair's speakers, and you're ready to enjoy your favorite music. You can adjust the volume of your Bluetooth device using the volume button on the tablet, cycling through low, medium, high, or off. If embedded music is playing in a program, connecting Bluetooth will override it with your device's audio. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the remote control tablet, you can fully enjoy your Kyota Zenyu M338 massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Kyota, the world's most advanced massage chairs.